Dear friends, good morning. In this video, I would like to share a few thoughts on the theme Great things always begin from within. Every soaring tree begins as a seed hidden beneath the soil. If egg is broken by outside force, life ends. If broken by inside force, life begins. Every masterpiece begins as a spark in the heart of the artist. Every great achievement in life originates not from external circumstances, but from the inner world of thought, belief, and determination. Thought shapes reality. What you think becomes what you do. A positive mindset plants seeds of courage and creativity. Belief fuels action. Confidence in yourself is the first step towards any accomplishment. Without inner belief, even the best opportunities remain unused. Determination in adversity. Challenges test you, but determination makes you resilient and stand strong. It is a quiet voice that says, try again. Thus, the foundation of success, happiness, and transformation lies in the unseen strength of your inner self. For instance, a student's personal growth and success in his studies begin with the discipline and self-motivation before it shows in grades or achievements. Great leaders inspire others because they first cultivate vision, empathy, and integrity within themselves. Every invention or innovation begins as an idea in your mind before it changes the world. Greatness is not only about worldly success, but it is also about inner peace and character. When you nurture kindness, patience, and gratitude within, they radiate outward, shaping relationships and communities. Hence, true greatness is not measured by wealth or fame, but by richness of heart. To spell out some practical ways to begin from within, giving time for self-reflection, spending time understanding your strength and weakness, cultivating positive habits, educating yourself in discipline, gratitude, and mindfulness, and fostering inner motivation. Setting goals that align with your values, not just external rewards. Thus, great things do not arrive from chance or luck. They grow from the soil of the soul. When you strengthen your inner world, that is, your thoughts, beliefs, and values, you create the foundation for achievements that endure. Truly, great things always begin from within. And by nurturing our inner selves, we unlock the power to transform not only our own lives, but also the lives of those around. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.